All right, I want to quickly explore the Spearman correlation. Uh, this is another non-parametric test. Spearman correlation is a test actually to test the correlation between uh, two numeric variables. But we must understand that Spearman is a rank-based correlation. We measure the strength and direction of association between two rank variables. And two variables are ranked, numerical variables, two numerical variables are ranked. So let's make sure that we put it properly. Two ranked uh, numerical variables. Okay, that is very important. All right, so now Spearman rule statistics is also used to estimate a rank-based measure of association. Okay, and this test may be used if the data do not come from a bivariate normal distribution. If the normal distribution assumptions are not met, or which is in the parametric base, we have to use Spearman. All right. So we are going to see use the same data set we used before previously, and it's called marketing data set from the Datarium library. So we just run the Datarium and the run data set. So we call marketing. So this marketing is used to evaluate the impact of advertising budget on three media uh, which are YouTube, Facebook, and newspaper on future sales. So we want to see what is the association relationship, how does YouTube budget or budget on YouTube also how is associated with our sales. Okay, so we want to do that. You can use Facebook, and use newspaper, depends. You can just change the uh, you just change them as you wish. So let's glimpse again. We have done that before. Let's try again and glimpse. We have YouTube, we have Facebook, we have newspaper. These are our sales. All right, so we can look at the sales and newspaper, sales and Facebook, sales and YouTube individually. All right, so I don't need to summarize anything, so just don't need to look at this as part of the what you will look for at the heading. So you don't need to look at anymore. Just you can attach our marketing if you want to. All right. So we want to test if there is a relationship between two or more numerical variables. Let's assume the relation between sales and YouTube advertisements. Okay. So between sales and YouTube advertisement or Facebook advertisement. Want to see what the relationship between them. All right. So correlation coefficient is one of the important factors that we use to determine, right? It becomes our estimate coefficient. So it starts between -1 and 1, -1 and +1. -1 indicates a strong negative correlation, while +1 indicates a strong positive correlation. So this means that y increases with x. All right, so Spearman correlation between YouTube and say now I want to see, let us see correlation between YouTube. So what do? We just call the test, okay? We pass our YouTube here or Facebook, our sales here, the method equal to Spearman. All right, so when we run that test, then we have our result. So let's run and see. I don't mind the warning. I think okay, don't mind that. So let's just continue. So we have it's not significant. Okay, sorry, significant p-value equals to is highly significant, and our estimate is equal to 0.8. It's equal to 0.8. So that's about our coefficient. Okay, the way we use a Pearson, the same way we have a row here, Spearman. So it was 0.8, which is very high. All right, very close to 1. All right, very close to 1. So you can see that there is a strong relationship between YouTube and sales. YouTube advertisement and sales, strong relationship, they're very strong. All right, so we can also you can actually change them. Let's see Facebook correlation. All right, let's see. Let's run and see. Oh, sorry, that's not correct. Facebook. All right, so we have a 0.55. Okay, if you remember when we did a Pearson, you can see that the same thing we experienced in some of our results. Okay, the same thing, which is also we also experience it during when we do our newspaper, right? So that one is so low. That one was 22 then. If I can remember, that one is 19. It is so poor, right? Even though significant here, it means that relationship or relationship is so it's not strong. That was it. It's not strong. It's not negative, yet it's not strong. The same thing with Facebook. Relationship is positive, it's highly significant, but at least more than just a little bit more than a half. So you can say this one is a little bit strong, but not as strong as YouTube. All right, and this one is not strong at all, even though there's a relationship because of our P value we got here. It means there's a relationship between sales and newspaper, but it's very, very low. It's not strong. Okay, that is just that. So you can equally plot this marketing scatter plots. You can use scatter. Just pass your YouTube here, sales here. All right. Then you can add regression line to it. Then you can now say coefficient is method equal to Spearman. All right, to see the result. All right. Let's just run this and okay. Let's run our library here, which is we have not run before. So let's now rerun again. All right. So you can see our result here for YouTube advert. 0.8 our speed value is this. So that is what we are talking about when it comes to. So you can change them anyhow, right? You can use Facebook here. So we continue to Facebook advert. All right. So just run this. So you can see the relation. It's not that much. So 55. All right. So that is just what I'm talking about. So you can go ahead and do apply for. You can also further run want to run for multiple correlation. Okay, just call just a create a variable. Here we want to run it just correlation market two decimal places. But that's right because of the long this thing always give. You can see this one it's long 0.12. So we don't want to make it to two decimal places. So we want to use multiple and just pass our marketing inside. Then you can now see this to see what is the result. Right, so you can see YouTube, YouTube, Facebook, newspaper, and sales. All right, so you can see this is called multiple correlation. So you can just trace it. Okay, we have 0.78 here. Okay, when we got the other time, what was the number? Our estimate before was 555. This one is 80, 0.8. So this is how you do the correlation for multiple listings. So this one only give you the correlation, not really the test. No other information that's being supplied apart from just looking at how they are correlated. Right. So I think that is that for now under this section, and we will see again in the next class. Thank you for listening. If you have not subscribed, you can go ahead and do that, and we continue to enjoy the class. Thank you so much. Goodbye for now.